everybody, my name is Neely Jacobs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the mock-up that you got with your template. In the previous video I showed you how to use the template for the 2-finger Kit Kat. Now I'm going to show you how to use the mock-up. Once again, when you open your PDF, it will look like this. In the previous video we clicked on this one, but just scroll down to the mock-up. You will see here is the 2-finger Kit Kat mock-up. Then you just click on it, and once again you will see this is a template that I designed, and use template for new design. So let me show you. In the previous video we have made that design and we have saved it, and now we're gonna upload it, and I'm gonna show you how to use the mock-up. It's very easy, and you can use it. Your customers can see how it will look on the finished product. So you just go to your uploads tab. You're gonna upload files, and you're gonna look for your design. There's my design. It will bring it in. As soon as you finish downloading, you will click on it and you grab it, and you will just bring it into this frame here, like I showed you in the previous video about the frames. Just drag it in. Maybe sometimes you will see that you have to resize it a bit. You can just double click on it and move it a bit. You can see the white lines here. You can also delete the black lines if you want. The white lines, sorry. There's the front of your wrapper. So I'm just gonna zoom out. This is actually 2 pieces. You see, the back is 2 pieces that comes together. So you have to bring your design into each of the 2 pieces. If you, the top one will be your glue area, and your back one will be the, okay, so we didn't put anything at the back. You can put any wording at the back, nutritional facts, barcodes. You can if you go search in elements, you will see there is barcodes that you can change the colors, that you can use a lot of pro features again. So it really is worthwhile that you can put in the back of your design, and that will show here if you put that in your design. So easy that you just upload your design, you drag it in here. Once again, you're gonna save as a JPEG, because that will only be for advertising, so you don't need a good quality. And when you download it, you will see, you see, sorry, the background that I used is not a free one. It's a pro feature that I use, so it don't want to let me download it. So you can purchase the content, or you download. Let's see how this will look. Oh, it's still got the, okay, sorry guys, but if you use this mock-up, I will go change it to a free element so that you can use it, so the watermark won't be there. But something that is very, very, very important, if you use mock-ups for advertisement, please put your own watermark. If it's your name, if it's your business name, if it's your cell phone number, just put something there that says this is mine. Otherwise people is going to use your pictures or to scam people or for free advertising. So please people, my mockups is for the size of my templates. If you use somebody else's designs, please make sure of the dimensions. Please make sure that it's the same size as my templates, so for your mockup to look nice. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.